Hey everybody, welcome to another video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how I made this cool little hair dryer holder for my wife's bathroom. She showed me this on, I believe, Instagram or Pinterest, one of those two, but this is a very popular thing right now, so stick around. I'm going to show you how. Alright guys, so to get started on today's project, you're going to need to go to your local supply house or a hardware store and pick up what is called a 3x2Y. You can find these at any of the plumbing departments around your local area, so then get you that. Then you need to go ahead and decide what color paint do you want to paint it. I got this like flat pink color left over from a previous project. My wife likes pink, so I'm going to go ahead and paint this pink right now. Go ahead and get it shook up just a hair. Been shaking it up before the video, and then I just want to give it a quick coating. Don't want to go too deep and have any ugly runs on it, guys. Just give it a quick little mist and let that dry. We'll get all inside of there, and after that little first coat dries, then you can go back and give it another coat, and then you can flip it over, get it good on the inside and everything, guys. So go ahead and get your piece painted now. Alright guys, so it has finally dried and we went ahead and double coated this. This is how it turned out right here. So now you can do a couple of things. You can either just leave it this plain one color just like this right here, guys, or you can take some like jewelry pieces and glue them all around, or you can put decorative wrap around it. Anything that you want to do is up to you out there, guys. So let's go ahead and get this in the bathroom counter and put her little her straightener and her blow dryer right there. Alright guys, so there we go. We got it on the counter here in her bathroom, and I just took her hair dryer and her straightener. She says she loves it the way it is, doesn't want me to add anything else to it. She just loves that flat pink look color. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to check out the other videos on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful week. Peace.